So anywho, they sell all different kind of stuff in here, almost like Roses and all those other stores. They just sell the discounted stores. Let me show y'all. Ollie's. This is Ollie's. So they sell all kind of stuff from shampoo to food to home decor to rugs to just all kind of stuff. Vinyl flooring stuff, like all kinds of stuff, y'all. So anyway, they got these vases here. That's what I wanted to come in here and look at, see what kind of vases and stuff that they got, and also see what kind of other home decor stuff that they have. Just look around. I haven't been in here for a long time. So these, I found these here for $7.99. They're not gold, but if I wanted them to be gold, I can paint them. I was mentioning something about a rug, y'all. They have like this here furry rug here. I wonder how much this rug is here. And it ain't no real good one or nothing like that, but let's see, $49.99 for that. Child. But it's a nice size though. It's a nice size. Yeah, that's a nice size right there. That cream one will look good too. $49.99. Yeah, that'll look good there. But I wish it was a different shape than just long. Yeah. Instead of just long, I think it should have been a different shape. They got their music playing real loud, so gotta be careful in these areas. So y'all may have some loud music over these videos. Just know, oh, 69, that'll be cute as well. But just know the music will be loud because music is playing in the store. So you know, I don't want to get in trouble. You know about that right there. Always thankful. I like that right there. It's bold and it stands out. Imagine if the edges of the outside of it was gold. It would be really nice. $29.99 for these lanterns here. We would gather here with grateful hearts. $79.99 for that. What else they got over here? They got these little plant stands here. They got those little seats over there. Let's go down here and look at these wall decor here. Y'all ring the doorbell, hit the thumbs up like button for me if you enjoying these videos. This here is $14.99. God, guns, and goods. What this says, faith is all you need, and love. Hope and love. God bless America. Let's see. Faith, family, firearms, and freedom. Oh, this is this is God bless America. These is like the hunter type ones. That's what this is. Yeah, that's hunter type ones. Okay, we're moving right along. Those ain't my taste, but these little stools here. How much those stools? 40. What is that? Oh, $24.99 for these here little stools here. Oh, then they got fire pits. Black. It's a gas fire pit. $1.99 for that one. $2.49 for the round one. Child, I ain't know they sell dang on TV. Child, they got a TV. Now they need to quit for $249 for this 43-inch now. They need to quit. Child, they done got some say LG. You want to add crazy swivel adjuster stools, $99. Okay. They sell mattresses and all. So, let me see. Let's get a price on the mattress. The queen. Nope, I got a twin. I mean a full. So that's the price on the mattresses. That might be what it is. Oh yeah, it's a mattresses. Okay. 149 for, that's the box spring there. There's some little thin little, this the mattress. Child, that's the mattress, honey. You gonna feel all the springs on that there. Okay, let's keep going. Keep going. Keep, oh, look at these little cute little chairs here. You got these here for $29.99. These here. 10. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, they got some more signs over here. What this is over, they got little vases here. Mm-hmm. For that's 6 of them for what? That'll be 6 of them for 10. How much I be spending? Like 17. Yeah, because I think I get probably about 7 for like $18 that I be spending. So I think I'm gonna start coming over here and get these because you get 3 packs for $4.99, right down my alley right there. Instead of having to buy the big packs, I can just keep them stocked up for $5. You know, that's a good deal there. But anywho, moving right along. Okay, so they got little candle holders here. They what, $6.99? Look like it said $6.99 for that one. $5.99 for that. Okay. Welcome to our home. That's nice. I like that. That's a little metal stand there. That's $12.99 for it. Not metal, but wood. It's like that little wood material. And they got all kind of candles here. Okay. Okay, Yankee candles, $8.99 for the big ones. Y'all know Yankee candles be smelling good. $19.99 for that. So let's go over here and look and see if they have some see what they got over here on. Excuse me. Thank you. See what they got over here on this side over here. I'm in the home decor section. Right now I'm where the pants, bows, and all that does it. That's some bowls down there. I wonder if they got like napkin rings and decorative napkins and stuff. And what kind of little pumpkin stuff they probably have. That's curtains and all that. This is towel still. See, that's bathroom stuff over here. More bathroom. Got comforters, kitchen cushions and pillows and more throws and all that there. Let's see. Gotta cut in and out. This music is playing super loud. Come on now. Okay, so I didn't really see. I might need to go down this middle over here to look for the go down this middle over here and see if they got like decor stuff, like, you know, decoration, but I see Christmas stuff here. It's the bags and all that there. Mm, toys, and little lanterns and that kind of stuff there. Hmm. Hmm. Let's hit the aisle with the curtains again. It done came down. Maybe I need to go back this way. Excuse me. They probably don't have it. Just looking. Just looking. See what they got. See what they got. See what they got. It's just bowls and stuff and electronic kitchen appliances. They got the shower curtains and stuff here. Let's go back on the other side of the store. That's what I was sent to the other side of the store to see what they got over there. Which I kind of think they ain't over here. I think she just sent me this way. I kind of think she just sent me this way, y'all. She told me on the back wall towards the end, but you know, we just left from over here looking at these chairs and the frames and stuff. And I didn't see no, yeah, that's regular napkins. I wasn't talking about no regular napkins. I know she just sent me over here. Get out her house. Okay, so yeah, they ain't got it. All right, so but yeah, I know where to come and get. I'm glad I found the air fresheners though. I know where to come to get that at. They do got a few little. Look, that's cute. $12.99 for that. They got little flasks. Okay. So yeah, this the napkins and stuff she talking about right here. I ain't talking about those napkins. I told her what napkins I wanted. They got some Dove soap for $5.79. I know where to come and get my soap and stuff at. Let's check out the dish detergent. And while I'm at it, I wonder if they got the price to teach $8.99 for some Windex. Oh, that's Windex. Okay. This here is dish detergent, $5.99 for some Joy. That's a big old thing of Joy, child. Okay, then they got. Okay. I remember the Joy dish detergent, y'all. How many of y'all remember Joy dish detergent from back in the day? Let's see. We got Palmolive there. Uh, $4.99. Oh, that's conditioner. I think that probably was conditioner I was looking at just then. Okay, so like I said, they sell seasonings and groceries and stuff. We got some more groceries. They got cereal and all that. Books galore over here. Chips and yeah, they got a lot of stuff in here, y'all. If you have an Ollie's, y'all check out y'all Ollie's. It's a pretty neat store. But the type of store where they get blowout stuff, sales like going whatever, you know, the stuff that's they're getting rid of in different stores and stuff like that. Yeah, they get stuff like that. So whenever you see it, you gotta get it. This here is $1.89 for this here mat. That's cute. That's cute. But yeah, whenever you see it, you gotta get it because that might be all they have. You know, they just that kind of store. They got some greenery here. How much they greenery? It's showing up green too. Let me see. There's some 6 feet garland. How much the garland? $3.99 for that garland. I wonder if I can work with this here. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so they got this garland here for $3.99, so 6 feet. It's a chain type garland. But I work with it for where I wanted it, and it got the colors that I want to. So I'm just gonna go ahead on and grab that. Yeah, because I needed me another garland. So we're gonna grab that and we finna get up out of here, y'all, before I spend too much in here. I ain't found nothing. I ain't finna try to find something. So I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little tour. It was quick, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. Look at the little sign. They got some more. Hold on, y'all. They got some more stuff. We can't go just yet. Hold up. They got look at this little sign here. Happy Harvest. That is too cute. I wish it would say happy home. I would definitely get this. Or 6.99 or welcome to our home or something. But that's cute. What else they got right here? They have these here. Let me see. They got these here. They 250. Ooh, those is cute. I like the look of them, which will go right along with my little 259 for that there. Let me see. My vase, my vase, my vase. Oh, I ain't got no vase no more. I got flowers, plants, but I like these. I like these 259 for these. I think I want at least about, let me see, cause I think I could do something with them. 259. Yeah. Uh-oh. And these 259 too for the little cattails. I like those, y'all. Those is cute. They would definitely, to me, match the theme. Cause they got that like that animal type look to them. So I think I want to grab. Let's grab like 4 of those because I feel like I can use them in some way, some kind of way. I can use those. Yeah. If I put 2 of them together. Yeah. I like that. So now it's gonna make me wanna find some. How many that is? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna get one more because they're cute. They're definitely cute. They would definitely go with the theme of my home. And I like them. Okay, so should I do those and cattails? No, just those body stuff. I like those alone. We don't need the little cattails. Let's get this here. Get in there. Why you keep trying to come with me? I don't want you. Okay, so we're gonna do that right there. So we're gonna do that there. I like that. I like. And I also like these too, y'all. I don't know why I like them, but I do. But we're gonna get those right there. Okay, so I wanted to look on the bottom of this table right here where they got more stuff at and see what they had down here. These little plants. Time for courage. Oh, that's $12.99. Why is that? Why do they feel that's worth $12.99? It's definitely not worth $12.99 at all, in my opinion. I can imagine this one here being a little higher, $10.99. That little old plant there. And they got this one here look like that one $8.99. That's cute too. Okay. And they got the little gnomes. All right. All right, I'm going for it this time, y'all. Love y'all. I'm out. Peace out.